Myself Prithviraj, and today's session we will discuss about Kruskal's algorithm. Kruskal's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree for a given connected weighted graph. As we have seen in the Prim's algorithm, how to get the minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Similarly, here we have one more algorithm called Kruskal's algorithm that is also used to find the minimum cost spanning tree. A minimum spanning tree which has v minus 1 edges, where v is the number of vertices. If you have v number of vertices, then we must have v minus 1 edges in a spanning tree. Let us see the different steps to be followed to perform this algorithm. First step is we have to sort the number of all the edges in a ascending order based on their weight. And after sorting the number of edges, we have to pick the smallest edge. And while picking, we have to make sure that it should not form any cycles in a spanning tree. Suppose if it forms any cycle, then we have to neglect that edge, otherwise we can include that edge. And the third step is we have to repeat the steps too until there are v minus 1 edges in a spanning tree. Now let us consider one graph, and for this graph we have to find the minimum spanning tree by using Kruskal's algorithm. Let us take the graph and we'll make two columns. One is selected tree edge and another is edges in a ascending order. So initially what you have to do is, as per our steps, the first step was sort all the edges in ascending order based on their weight. So we have to sort the number of edges among their weight. So starting from edge AB till edge CE. First we will consider the number of vertices which are there in the main graph, and as per the number of edges, the edge with the minimum weight, that is AB. So let us check, we'll consider this edge first, and as per our second step, while choosing the edge we have to check that whether it forms any cycle in a graph. Now since it is the first edge we have chosen, so it will not form any cycle, then we can select this edge. So that will be our first edge that we have selected. And then in the second iteration we have to mention the remaining edges. Okay, and then as per the step 3 you have to repeat the step 2 until v minus 1 edges in a spanning tree. Now according to this, the edge with the minimum cost, that is AD. Okay, and we have to identify whether it forms any cycle in a spanning tree. So it will not form any cycle, so that we can select this edge. So AD is our next selected edge, and write down all the remaining edges. And the next iteration we have to identify the edge with the minimum cost, that is DC. So we have chosen the edge DC based on its weight, and we have to check whether it forms any cycle. Again it will not form any cycle, so that we can select the edge called DC. So DC is our next selected edge. Then based on the remaining edges, based on their ascending order, so the next edge is BC with its weight 5. Now if I take this BC with the edge called 5, then I can see in my spanning tree it will form one cycle, so that we can't choose the edge called BC since it forms a cycle in a spanning tree, so that we can neglect that edge. Now what is the next edge? That is DE. So with the weight 7, and if I take the edge DE in a spanning tree, so it will not form any cycle, so that I can select this edge. So based on this, our next selected edge is DE with the weight 7. Now the remaining edge, that is CE. Now if I choose this CE, again I can see that it forms one cycle in a spanning tree. So we can't choose the edge called CE. Hence we can neglect this edge. So that's it. We have done with the V minus 1 edges. So this is the total number of edges in the spanning tree are 4, that is V minus 1. Since we had 5 number of vertices, so we found 4 number of edges in our spanning tree. And at last I have to write the minimum cost of a spanning tree is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7, which is equal to, again it is 15 units. Now this is how we can find out the minimum spanning tree for any given graph, for any given connected graph, by using Kruskal's algorithm. Now this is the exercise problem for you. You have to apply the Kruskal's algorithm to find the minimum cost spanning tree for this given graph. Thank you.